Hello friend, so welcome to my channel. Today I'll tell you about top 5 Indian penny stocks to buy in 2020. Okay, so these are the top 5 Indian penny stocks you can purchase in this 2020 year, and it with some very good fundamentals. Okay, so these 5 stocks has very good potential, upside potential, and you can make your money. You can increase your profit, I think 4 times 5 times if you can invest now. So these are the top 5 Indian penny stocks. I have gathered all the technical informations after giving so much effort, after analyzing, technical analyzing. Also, there are so many various sources. I have gathered all the information, and then only I have prepared this list of 5 Indian penny stocks to buy. Okay, so let's go through these 5 stocks, okay, one by one, and I'll tell you their business model, and what is the current price, and how long you should keep investing in these stocks. Okay, so let's proceed further. Okay, so the number one stock you can purchase, it is Yes Bank. So Yes Bank is now trading at very low level. Okay, so it is now 14 price, yeah, rupees 14 rupees only. And if you can invest for 2 to 3 years, believe me, you will get it. These stocks may reach level 40 or 50. So you will get 4 times 5 times return. Okay, and you can as it is very cheap price, okay, you can buy it as a lots of amount together. Okay, you can buy it as bulk. So Yes Bank, it has very good, you can see the the numbers of volume, it's very high, and there are lots of stakes, taking stakes into Yes Bank. For example, LIC has some stakes, 5% kind of stake in Yes Bank. So this stock will definitely will move upside, and these stocks can give you 4 to 5 times return in 2 to 3 years. Okay, so please, if you have if you are thinking to have investment, please, you can choose these stocks. Okay, so next stock I'll tell you about PC Jeweler. So this stocks is also one of the very good stocks for 2020. Okay, and you can invest now. So it has jewelry business, as you know, but due to some poor performance last year, these stocks have came down very at low price. So you can purchase as 14 15 16 level. Yeah, and again, if you can invest for long term, 2 to 3 years, the stocks again will give you 5 to 6 times return. Okay, so it is very cheap price, and it has jewelry business all over India. So this is also one of the very good stocks. Okay, so next move to the third stock, third share price, third share name. So the third share stock name is Vodafone India Limited. Vodafone India Limited has very good upside potential, and the stock is trading at 750 rupees, 7.50 rupees, and 8 rupees only. Okay, so 8 rupees, if you can buy purchase, you can buy at 5,000 6,000 stocks, and if you can invest for 5 to 6 years, believe me guys, you can get 1000% return. Okay, so this much in potential this stocks is having. Okay, so Vodafone India, you can see lots of volume is there, and there are lots of news is coming. So please go with the flow. Okay, so sometimes you can see big stocks, they don't perform well, and so see, stocks driven by the news, and it's a flow. So please go with the flow, and if you can invest for a long time, you will definitely will get good return. Okay, so next go to the next stocks now. Dish TV. So Dish TV, it has again very good upside potential, is currently trading at 7.50 rupees, or 8 rupees only. So again, this stocks has very good features. It will have very good this TV connection all over India, and future wise, these stocks has very good upside potential. So if you can invest for 3 to 4 years, again this can give you 200% return for sure. Okay, And then the last stock but not the least, this is a pharma stocks, Bharat Immuno. So it is every day it is reaching to its daily circuit upper circuit limit. So if you get opportunity, please buy these stocks. Bharat Immuno, I think, is currently trading at 45-50 level. Yeah, 45 rupees to 50 rupees level. It's very good pharma stocks. Okay, so it has some COVID-19 drugs approval, and they are preparing some vaccine for that COVID-19. So these stocks has very good future. Okay, so if you can invest for 3 to 4 years, these stocks can reach up to 300 level. So you can just imagine, if you are buying at 45 rupees and it is reaching at 300 350 level, how much return you are getting. Okay, so you are getting almost 6 times return. So it's very good stock, guys. And I'll also find other penny stocks for you in my upcoming post, and also I'll post sector wise stocks for you guys. So let's make money. Don't lose your money. And I always suggest that please put stop loss. Okay, that is very important. So please, if you have some target profit amount, and also similarly you have to put some target stop loss, so that your stop loss will be less. Okay, guys, so in my next video I'll bring more informative stocks ideas for you guys. So please subscribe my video. It will help and encourage me to post further this kind of informative video for you guys. So this is just for you guys, so that you can do some analyze about the stocks that we have discussed, and then only after analyzing, then only you need to invest. Okay, this is just fun. As per me, these are the stocks I have found. It has very good upside potential. So but don't go whatever I am telling. Please do research, and then only please invest. Okay, but invest for long time. Okay, guys, so please subscribe my channel if you want to get more this kind of informative video in near future. Please subscribe my channel, and encourage me. Thank you, guys.